My next guest still sees those tariffs as a big risk to the market. Let's bring in Ed Yardeni of Yardeni Research. Good to have you back. Tell us more.
Thank you. Well, I guess if the president's going to be flexible, I have to be flexible. I think we all have to be flexible on where this tariff issue is going to take us. April 2nd is Liberation Day. It's according to the president. It's when we're going to have all these reciprocal tariffs. And maybe after all, he is looking at the market. You know, he kind of has led us to believe that the market doesn't really matter that much to him anymore. But I think today's comment about his flexibility on reciprocal tariffs may be him kind of watching what's going on CNBC.
Doesn't all this just add to the uncertainty, though? Right? We're asking ourselves as investors the question, does he care about the market? Does he not care? I thought he did. Well, maybe he doesn't. Are we going into a recession? I don't know. They haven't talked us out of it. Are they telegraphing us into one?
Yeah, it's pretty wild. I mean, you need a neck brace to deal with this environment. But all in all, it's kind of starting to feel to me like the market may be trying to bottom out here. Sentiment is extremely bearish. And typically when sentiment is this bearish, you make a bottom. But the reason you do that is that all the reasons for bearishness lead to a Fed put. And I think you mentioned that I might comment on the Fed here. And I think the Fed did, in fact, indicate that the Fed put is still very much available. It's on standby. The Fed said that, again, they're in no hurry to lower interest rates. They didn't say they're in no hurry to do anything. They didn't say they're in no hurry to raise rates. So I view their position as inherently dovish. They're looking to lower rates. And if we get into trouble, they'll do that. Maybe that will make the bottom. And maybe that'll be sometime in the spring. But meanwhile, my base case remains the same. I think the economy is going to prove to be remarkably resilient. I'm expecting to see some real good bounce backs in retail sales in March and April. I think weather had a lot to do with the weakness in January especially, but also February. So I'm counting on the economy to